Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Valorant Vanguard secure boot issues. First, restart your computer and access your BIOS settings, usually by pressing F2 or delete during startup. Navigate to the Boot or Security tab to confirm Secure Boot is enabled. If it's disabled, enable it and save your changes. Also, make sure your Windows operating system and graphics drivers are fully updated. Once in your BIOS or UEFI, look for the Secure Boot option. It's often found under the Boot, Security, or Authentication sections. If it's currently disabled, enable it. Remember to save your changes before exiting the BIOS. This step is crucial for Vanguard to recognize a secure environment and allow Valorant to run without issues. Beyond Secure Boot, ensure that Trusted Platform Module, or TPM 2.0, is also enabled in your BIOS. You can check its status in Windows by typing TPM MSC into the Run dialog. If both Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are active and you're still facing issues, try reinstalling Vanguard. Sometimes a fresh installation resolves persistent errors. If the problem persists, try disabling Secure Boot, saving, then re-enabling it and saving again. This can sometimes refresh the system's recognition. If all else fails, reaching out to Riot Games support is your best bet. They can offer specific solutions for your setup. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some great leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.